Hey guys, what is up? It's Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending. So we just got a phone call that one of the coin mechs isn't working in one of the soda machines. Well, it's working, but what it's doing is it's not really giving out the same change every time. So because I don't know exactly what the problem is yet, I have a spare coin mech that I know works, so we're just gonna grab that coin mech, go swap it out, and while we're there, maybe we can solve the problem. Come on with me, let's go. Hey guys, shout out real quick to Tyler Tucker, Shaquem, AJ, and Mike G for being my first Patreons on the account. Peace. Alright guys, so we're at Tire Warehouse. We have to change a coin mech, so that's something a little bit different I'm going to do in today's video. We're actually going to go through and change the coin mech and show you guys how to do it. Look, they moved it for me. Alright, so we're going to change a coin mech out in this. So the coin mech's pretty basic. Pop up here, pull that out, and we just lift up on the whole coin mech. Alright, so now we gotta take all the quarters out. Ooh, sucker's warm. So do that there. Alright, so we're gonna pull this guy out.
Hey Jason, vending from Tire Warehouse 992. How you guys doing today?
And we're just going to fill this coin mech up with the quarters in your pocket.
You still another truck on out today? Another truck on my way today?
When you feel like you're all alone, you're so disconnected. So follow the whole so addicted now to the world within. Now you see the wicked side of me. I've had enough, but it pulls me in. Now you see the wicked side of me. Side of me. Some kind of rage is taking a hold of me, and I cannot be saved. Some kind of rage, and I don't think I can change my self-destructive ways. Do you follow the hole when you feel like you're all alone? You're so disconnected. So follow the hole, so addicted now.
Just going to check, make sure that everything's flat. Looks good. It looks like we have a quarter outside of the hole.
Check with the kitchen. Will you be checking out today, Mr. Connors?
Hey Michael, this is Benjamin, Tire Warehouse 992 here in West London, New Hampshire. Not too bad, man. How you doing? I have Miss Susan Mahoney up here. See if her invoice has
So I'm going to pull right in on this. Make sure. So this is going to be your release. You want that to fall under this.
Those are correct, right? Correct these?
And we're going to put this right back up through here. And hopefully everything's good.
Yep.
Two. It's on. Unit's okay. Cool. So you want to make sure that that stays solid. On means unit's okay. You have some quarters left? Alright, so now we're going to test it out. Make sure it's working alright. So what the problem is, there's a little adjuster here, and the coin is hitting this instead of actually rolling into it. That might have actually been our problem the whole time. So our quarter problem is solved now. The rail wasn't lined up right. Line the rail back up, we're good to go. So now, I want to take note of what's in here. We need to fill the Mountain Dew, the Coke, Sunkist we're going to change the price on, Sprite we're going to change the price on, and I think we might need to fill the Brisk. Oh my gosh, I can actually see now. Yep, we're going to have to fill the Brisk too. So we'll come back another day and fill those up. So the fastest way to fix a coin problem is just change coin mech out really fast. While I was changing the coin mech out, I realized the rail wasn't lined up properly. Should have looked at that, because I actually think that was the problem, because I thought that maybe the coin mech was like dirty or something and just wasn't releasing all the time, but seemed to be working fine. Oh, cold chills. So we're all set to go. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, my channel is supported by Patreon. The link's in the description below. You can also see it in the pinned comment as well. Guys, you have an awesome day. This is Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending, out.